tutorial will help you create an interactive fill-in-the-blank activity for any subject using words, phrases, numbers, or short answers for a Cloze activity. First, log into your account and then click on the Games tab in the sidebar. Then select the drop-down box and go down to Cloze Quest. Then click Continue. That opens up your builder. Here you can type your title, and then you have the option delete it, go back, you can save this, you can preview it later, and you're also able to share it to the shared library for teacher access. You can add in optional notes, and then you can select the theme you prefer. You can also select whether you would like accent boxes displayed to students and in which language you want the accents to be presented in, as well as whether you want the accent to be required on the student end. In the score requirement for credit, here the total points will be accrued as you insert questions, and at the end you can type in a minimum score to earn credit. You can do a quick add by typing in the entire statement that you want in one paragraph. By inserting an asterisk, you're telling the system to insert a blank in that spot, and by putting words in parentheses, you are telling the system that that is your answer. Now, we would preface this for students with the title of the concept that we are assessing, and then we would convert the lines to questions by clicking this red button, and that will create your paragraph. You can see that it took your answers and put them into your answer key. And then now you can go in, if you would like, and add in additional items into your paragraph. I want to give the student an idea of what verb they are going to be conjugating. And then if I want to incorporate another paragraph, I can by adding another paragraph. We will test this by including a quick sentence, an asterisk for where we are inserting the blank. And I am going to have them put the Ned in the yo form here, just so you can visualize. And I'm going to include answer, and that would be my second paragraph. Now I can duplicate these and I can delete these. You can duplicate and then you can update your next paragraph as needed, or again, delete. Next, you can click save and preview. This will allow you to see what the student will see. The student can type in yo hablo camino. They can also click to float or dock the accents again. And if an accent is required, they can click the accent box or delete it. And then they can check this paragraph. These are both outlined in green. That means they earned their points for those two blanks. And then they can go to the next paragraph and they can go ahead and, I'm gonna get this wrong so you can see what happens when it's incorrect. They did not earn the points, so it is red. And then here I can go back to the builder. As a student, I can retry and it will clear this out. But if I am going to fix anything as a teacher, I will go back to the builder. Students don't have back to builder buttons. And then I can go in and edit. Now here we have 10 points, 10 points, and 16 points. I'm going to change this to 10, and now I have a possibility of 30 points. That means I can give a 25 here, a minimum score to earn credit, and if the student earns 25 points, they would earn their credit. That is how you create a Cloze Quest game in AulaViva.